Welcome to our lead up into Christmas videos. We often get asked whether HMRC can visit your home or have a meeting at your home. And this is an interesting question. If you're asking the question because you've been raided, that's a different problem. That means that it's a fraud raid and the police are probably involved, so that's a different matter. However, if that has happened, do contact us if it's related to tax, as we know the right solicitors that can help you and we can support them on the tax side. However, if you simply get a request from HMRC for them to attend your home, are they allowed to do so? Well, the answer generally is no. However, HMRC do have a power to attend business premises in order to inspect the premises. A premise includes any building or structure, any land and any means of transport. Therefore, it's wide enough to cover your home if your home is also a business premise. Now, what constitutes a business premise and whether your home is a business premise could be wide enough to include, for example, storage of business records there, the fact that you have a home to work office. So yes, you could face HMRC visiting your home, but their rights are slightly different under these powers than they are under the information powers. They're not there necessarily to interview you or have the power to interview. Their right is one to inspect the business premises. That means to use their eyes to look. That means they can't use their hands in order to rummage through records and look through records. They could serve information powers on you to obtain records, which is separate, but if they're visiting their premise, they have no right to interview you and no right to rummage through records. So just be aware of that. If you get a letter requesting HMRC to visit you at your home because it is a business premise, or to have a meeting at your home with no specification, contact us. It's going to be a serious matter if they're going to the extent of the cost of normally 2 officers visiting you. In addition to those 2 officers and the cost of those 2 officers, it would have been signed off by a senior officer. So they've gone through a process where they've actually justified the commercial element of that visit. So it means there is something going on. So do contact us to find out, or have a look at your affairs to find out whether there is something that you need to be concerned with.